Welcome back to Panick Custom Shop. Today we've got another unboxing video. Just a little quick look at something that came in the mail today. Sorry I've kind of been off from videos the last few days. I've been working on some different little things, some little dresser valets and cigar ashtrays. We're going to be participating in the Vidalia, Georgia Porch Fest events November 18th. This is the second one they've done. They did one earlier in the year. It was a great success. Their original plan was to have them in the fall, so they're kind of doing a reset, starting over in the fall, and then that'll be the dates moving forward. But anyway, we got a box in today from Rattlesnake Cable Company. They are one of our accessory participants for the showcase base, and we're going to take a quick look at what they sent us. And again, we'll get into a more in-depth review a little later on. But for now, let's have a look. So we open up the box here. We have a Rattlesnake Cable Company sticker. Gonna go on our shop mini fridge. Really nice packaging, man. This is nice. Comes in a nice bag, like if you were to catch a rattlesnake. Here in Georgia, they used to do a lot of snake hunting, and that's like a bag they would carry it in. Rob, thanks for thinking of us for this. This is a snakehead style cable. You can get the full details about this cable on our site. Hank at Rattlesnake Team. They included a little notepad, little package insert, QR code for everyone to check out. Rattlesnake Cable Company. And of course, we'll have the link to their website down in the description. Let's open up this bag and take a look. Oh my goodness. Now that right there is a nice quality cable. It's got a nice protective coating on the whole length of the cable. Good solid connectors that are heat shrink on both ends. And that's not going to kink up or anything. That's a good heavy gauge cable. Can't wait to try this guy out. But anyway, like I said, just a quick unboxing to give you a look at what Rattlesnake Cable Company sent us. We will demonstrate the use of the cable once we completely finish getting the showcase base set up. We've actually got a little bit of hopefully a surprise in store. I've got some emails sent out to a few different companies for one final piece of the puzzle, you may say, for the whole Panick Inc. showcase base project, for something that will definitely help out with when we take the bass out and have it on display at various events and festivals and such. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Ring the little bell for updates. Check out our Facebook page, all of our other social media pages. Go to our merch shop. Links would be down in the description. That helps us out so much, guys. Go pick yourself up a t-shirt or stickers or hats or shower curtains, dog bandanas. We've got all kind of different stuff on there. Go get some of that. Be sure to check out our website for the Showcase Base project. Check out Rattlesnake Cable Company. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next one.